good, eh? I'm not sure I'm gonna get back on this bike. I've got a lot of work that's that requires me to take my vehicle, my cage, into work, so I've been lucky enough the last couple of weeks to been able to go with the bike, and it's really been good because I haven't had any traffic issues. So it's about to end. I'm going to do a quick vlog, and it's mainly on maintenance. I bought this bike just before Christmas, and don't know too much about the history of it. I know the guy's done one long trip. It was about 1800 kilometers. It was a decent tour he did, but I'm not sure if he's done any maintenance on this bike. So my plan is in the next week or so, I want to do some maintenance on it. I'll drop the oil. It's got 3,300 milliliters of oil, well, stamped on the side there, so I'm going to measure how much I take out and just see how much was in there. Other thing I want to do is air cleaner and use fluids in here, brake fluid and the clutch fluid, because it's a hydraulic clutch. So I'm hoping to get that done next week, couple of weeks or so. I've just been lubing the chain, but I haven't done really. That's all that I've done. But my question was going to be, how many of you guys do own maintenance, and how many of you guys just send the bike in, send it into the shop and get it done? Being in the service industry, I know that without even going in and doing inquiry, I know the labour rates are going to be horrendous, and I just won't be able to justify and to send the bike in, and when I know I can do it pretty easily myself, at a fraction of the cost, and at least by doing it myself, I get to know the bike a bit better as well. I'm not saying it's a bad thing sending it into a bike shop or anything like that, but for me personally, I just I don't squeak when I walk, but I don't like giving out my hard-earned cash unnecessarily. So that's a plan for next couple of weeks. I'm hoping if my workload gets any better, I'll be able to take the bike into work and ride a little bit more. I did a nice long trip. I'll put a video up on my channel, the trip we did down to Pyroa, and that was 350 k's. Probably about 180 there and back. But that's the longest trip I've done so far on the bike. Yeah, like I said, the fluids in the brake cylinder look alright. The clutch side I can't really see too well, and the oil's what's worrying me. I'm worried about that more than the fluids, the brake and clutch fluid, because I can't actually, in the side glass, I can't even actually see the fluid in the side glass, which either means it's that dirty, or I don't think it's short of oil, to be honest. So I'll do that. I'll put a new oil filter on, new oil, new air filter, and the other thing I was thinking of doing is changing the pads, at the same time, front and rear brake pads. Yeah. Other than that, it's business as usual. It'll be interesting to hear from you guys what an actual service costs in different parts of the world. I'll have to ring up my Suzuki dealer and find out what it will cost. But I can't see it being less than sort of $250, $300. Anyway folks, that's all from me for now. Take it easy, ride safe, keep your wits about you, watch out for these people. See you soon. Cheers.